Alright, turn on. Turn on.
Then help me get to 1.5K taps on the screen.
W's on the chat. So, the repair, let me show you all the repair. The repair is a long one.
For those who watching me on YouTube,
we did this repair last night. We did this repair last night. And after we wanted to do a Grenada Carnival collection, so we started same, we made another similar. And we made another one with a stronger material. Read them 1 to 10 for me, please. So yeah, welcome. Who was here for the stream last night? Spam ones in the chat. If you was here for the stream last night, spam ones in the chat, please and thanks. Anyway, the W stream, although we go to a lot, bro, the stream was real, like the cameras, one of the camera we was using the Logitech, it was just not working for the stream. Like 1 minute you come on, and next minute you cut off. I was really upset, but you know, I didn't let it stop. I didn't let that hold back. You know what I mean? Keep pressing as always until the stream had to cut off. By the time we get to like 4 hours and some, maybe 4 hours and a half, YouTube cut the video. I realized that's like a new thing for YouTube to do, because I heard somebody talk about it as well, which is from the time YouTube realized nobody watched the stream, nobody engaging or whatever, they just cut it off, and it's for it to restart. Sometimes I restart. So that's the resilience for you. That is